This project is coronavirus detection and classification with radiograph images using convolutional neural network. COVID-19 is a highly infectious disease that costs millions of people life worldwide during past 2 years. It is a infection that affects respiratory system of a human being. It causes respiratory problems from mild cold to severe problems. Many people difficult to breathe because of the infection. It is highly affected for the elderly people, so early diagnosis and detection will help for the doctors to cure the disease as soon as possible. So we are using to detect coronavirus by using radiograph images. In our existing system, the classification is done by using recurrent neural network. This process uses CSV dataset. That dataset not efficient like image datasets because we are getting images from the patients in the form of radiographs. This will useful for easy classification of. So it is not suitable for image classification because of its low performance classifications image datasets. So we are going to propose the system that uses for image classification. In our proposal system, the image classification is that is the classification process. Before classification starts, we are get image and pre-process the image for the future enhancement. The image enhancement process will do the exact features for the classification process. This will help in identifying the affectedness of the disease, and it will help for the further treatment and enhancement process. First of all, the grayscale image was obtained and the noises are added to the images for filtering process. Then segmentation and feature extraction steps are processed. Then the image will be classified based on the features that will give the result of whether the patient is affected. Now we are going for implementation stage. After running, this stage consists of three parts: image analysis, image preview, and classification and results. Image analysis was used for pre-processing and feature extraction for further process. Image preview will show the images which are processed. First of all, we are selecting input image, which is the radiograph image of patient. This was shown here. Now we are going for pre-processing stages. First, the input image was converted to grayscale image. Then the noise was added. Noisy image will helps in filtering process. The filtered image will be in enhanced mode of input image. This is noisy image. Now we are going to filter this image. We can see the difference between original and filtered image, which shows the enhancement. Now we are going to histogram equalization process. This will eliminate the illumination problems, so this step will help in further process. Now we are going to segment the image. Image segmentation is one of the feature extraction process that will segments input image in various formats. The convolution process was stopped until the feature extraction step was completed. Now we are going to extract the features from the images. The steps will help in classification process. Every features will be stored. We can see the various processes. Now the convolution neural network for classification is available. We are going to classify the image to find whether the patient was affected by COVID or not. The result was given as COVID negative, so the patient was not affected by COVID 19. Here, no need for checking severity status of the patient because he is COVID negative. Now, the check box will be not available. Next, we are going to check the next image for the classification. Now, we are selecting the image. Now, we are going to implement pre-processing stage. Pre-processing stage was very important in image processing because it will enhance the image quality and it will helps in further processing. Each and every value in the image will be enhanced. That will helps in feature enhancement and classification progress. Now we are going to segment the image. Now we are going to start feature extraction. Various features from the image will be extracted for the further process and perfect analysis. Now the classification tab will be enabled. So we are going to classify the image. We get the result as COVID positive. So the patient was affected by COVID 19. Now we are going to check the severity status. Based on that, treatment will be given for the patient. Now the check tab will be available. By clicking it, we can get the analysis report. This stage will be calculated many parameters for the calculation of status. The obtained parameter values are shown here. Now based on this, we are going to get the severity status. The patient was less affected by COVID 19. Like this, we get less affected, moderately affected, and severely affected results. Based on these results, the doctor can cue the patients according to their severity level.